Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show how to drive a Toyota Land Cruiser 70 Series, easy method. Start by setting seat, mirrors, and belt, then turn the key and feel the clutch engagement point. Practice shifting through gears slowly in a safe area and learn low range for off-road use. Keep revs steady when climbing, use light throttle in sand, and always scan the terrain and traffic before making moves. Warm up the LC70 with light driving and listen for unusual noises as you settle into its feel. Keep inputs gentle. Smooth throttle, deliberate clutch releases, and steady steering help hide the trucky nature on pavement. Anticipate stops and plan wider turns because of the long wheelbase and heavy front end. Maintain a relaxed pace, monitor mirrors frequently, and keep a safe following distance for confident, comfortable driving. Approach off-road sections with patience and steady momentum. Avoid abrupt throttle or steering changes that unsettle the chassis. Shift to low range for climbs, descend slowly using engine braking, and engage lockers when traction is poor. Learn to read ruts and rock lines, and use a spotter for tricky obstacles to protect paint and suspension. Keep recovery gear handy, check tire pressures for terrain, and practice recoveries in a controlled environment.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.